Hello, and welcome back to Time for Gardening. Today, we're diving into the world of DIY vertical gardens, perfect for transforming your small space into a lush green oasis. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a beginner, these vertical gardening ideas are easy and budget-friendly. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button like this video and leave us a comment below. Let us know which of these DIY vertical garden ideas you're excited to try. Vertical gardening is not just a trend. It's a game changer for those with limited space. Whether you live in a small apartment or have a tiny backyard, vertical gardens make it possible to grow plants, herbs, or even vegetables without taking up too much room. Plus, vertical gardens add a stunning aesthetic to your walls, creating a green sanctuary anywhere. Let's explore how you can bring these affordable vertical gardening ideas to life stylishly. One of the easiest and most affordable vertical gardening ideas is creating a mason jar herb garden. Attach mason jars to a wooden plank or directly onto a wall using clamps. Fill the jars with soil and your favorite herbs, like basil, parsley, or mint. This setup is not only practical for cooking, but also adds a rustic charm to your kitchen or patio. It's a perfect DIY vertical garden idea for small spaces. An old shoe organizer can be upcycled into a perfect vertical planter. Hang it on a sunny wall, fill each pocket with soil, and plant herbs, flowers, or small vegetables. This budget-friendly vertical gardening idea is easy to set up, and the individual pockets help keep plants organized and easy to maintain. Wooden pallets are a favorite among DIY enthusiasts for vertical gardening. Lean a pallet against a wall or mount it securely, then fill the spaces with small pots or plant directly into the gaps. This versatile and affordable vertical gardening idea gives your garden a chic, rustic vibe. Ideal for creating a vertical garden in small spaces, it's both stylish and functional. Give your old plastic bottles a new purpose by turning them into vertical planters. Cut the bottles in half, hang them horizontally or vertically, and fill them with soil and plants. This eco-friendly vertical gardening idea is a fantastic way to garden on a budget and a great project for kids to help with. If you have an old ladder lying around, repurpose it into a vertical garden display. Place pots on each step or attach small planters to the sides. This mobile vertical gardening idea allows you to move it around to catch the sunlight or use it as a centerpiece for your outdoor space. For a touch of elegance, try creating a vertical succulent frame. Use a shadow box or a sturdy picture frame filled with soil and chicken wire to hold succulents in place. These low-maintenance wall gardens double as stunning living art pieces, making them one of the best vertical gardening ideas for small spaces. Add some height and greenery with a DIY trellis. Use wood, bamboo, or metal rods to create a trellis structure and train climbing plants like ivy, jasmine, or peas to grow on it. Trellises are an affordable and stylish way to create lush, natural wall gardens in small spaces. And there you have it, 10 stunning DIY vertical garden ideas to transform your small space on a budget. From mason jar herb gardens to vertical succulent frames, there's something for every gardener. Which idea will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Thyme for Gardening, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and happy gardening!